Andito tayo sa SM Ecoland Expansion. Maraming nag-comment dito sa Nanyang masarap daw, kaya andito kami para masubukan. So let's check. Asian favorite. Ayun, laksa prawn. Masarap yun eh. Let's check the price. And this is the menu. Post nyo lang para makita nyo. Then you have Hainanese chicken, fried at saka steam. Nasa lemak. Yan, for noodle soup, fishbowl. Tapos sa drinks nila, ito, yung sa Singapore kami, masarap to. Yan. So, antayin natin yung order natin. This is the Hainanese chicken rice for 268, napakasulit. And Hainanese fried chicken rice, ang sarap nito guys, 288 lang, marami na. Sobrang worth it ng serving nila, promise. And this is the homemade nasa lemak, 268 only. And the cheesy chicken chop noodles, marami na rin. Check this out guys, ito lahat ng orders namin, sobrang dami ng serving, napakasulit sa kanyang presyo, promise. So it's time to eat na, let's go. So ito yung order ko, cheesy chicken chop noodles. They have fried chicken with cheese. So medyo lumamhig na. Okay, first bite, bismillah. Medyo wait lang, second time kulang sa alat or walang masyadong lasa, but I think ito talaga yung partner. Okay, yun pala, kailangan mo na kayo ng chicken kasi nandito yung nakalasa. Ang sarap ng chicken niya. Itong noodles, medyo kulang sa alat at saka sa seasoning. Pero siguro ganito talaga yung lasa. And this is the ginger sauce. I think sasarap to pag ilagay na ito. Ilagay natin ng additional dark soy sauce. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, this time with the seasoning and the sauce. That's what I'm talking about. Lagyan lang siya ng ginger sauce at saka dark soy sauce.